January 4th, 2018. A new year means new adventures. To kick things off incredibly, Harry and I are once again embarking on a surreal journey to Iceland together. To be honest, even though I'm on a plane to Iceland right now, with less than 2 hours to arrival, it doesn't feel real. I still can't find the words to express my excitement and the overwhelming good feelings I've had over the past month. For me, this is the adventure of a lifetime. Definitely our greatest one yet. I'll be honest, the prep for this trip was incredibly stressful, but in my heart, I know it was all worth it, and will probably make the experience that much better in the end. I don't really know what to expect once we land, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
Okay, so day 2, it's about 8:30 in the morning, and we woke up a little bit earlier than scheduled this morning. We were going to shoot for like 10, not knowing how the jet lag was going to affect us, but thankfully, didn't really affect us too much. So we're going to get started. Harrison's taking a shower right now, I just took mine. We're going to get the day started right, going to go get some coffee, get some good food, and then start hitting the adventure, get out of the city and really into Iceland. Getting ready for the day right now. Gotta go get coffee, food. I have to pay a parking ticket. Somehow, I managed to get a parking ticket yesterday within like the first 30 minutes of parking. Which, thank you, which is ridiculous. I don't understand how that happens. They said, oh yeah, park anywhere. Nope. So that's annoying. But then after that, we can get to the fun shit. So I'm looking forward to that. How are you feeling, Harry? I guess you're brushing your teeth, so you can't really. Yeah? I'm gonna have a good day. Yeah, we're gonna have a good day. I'm gonna go get shit backwards. We're gonna get banged. Alright, we're going to get some coffee right now. Start the day off right.
You see the shot right here, dude?
Oh yes, I do see the shot right there, dude. Crazy shot right there.
Let's go get coffee.
Have you sit right there? Yep.
We get straight.
Perfect.
That's very locked right there.
Oh, this one? Maybe. Are they open? Pull, push, pull, push. Let's push.
Hey, do you guys have cold brew? Iced coffee? I'll take that.
You want a latte or an iced americano?
Iced Americano.
Yes.
It's my alarm to wake up. One time, 2 wipes of that.
Did you get it? Did you get the bangers? We got a standoff right here. They found my store. I found my store. Hell yeah. Perfect. For those of you that don't know me very well, I'm a very proud ginger.
Very proud.
How proud am I?
He has gingerism papers for school.
Yep.
Has it in his diary.
Yep.
The Book of Ian.
It's an amazing thing. stopped because there's a cool frozen lake back there. Oh. Woo! That hurt. Note to self, don't slide down. How was it?
You vlogging?
Yeah.
I've been running across the fucking bridge and the car just come.
Yeah, that's the thing. I can't even walk on ice with these boots.
I can't.
I literally ate shit down this. We're at Gullfoss. We thought it was the biggest, largest waterfall, but we were wrong. But I have to say, it's still pretty damn cool. I mean,
Yeah, Gullfoss.
if you look at that,
It's like a waterfall that hits a ravine. It's
and
also
then
a waterfall.
Mist comes up, and you got the sunset, and it's incredible.
Yeah.
At first we were a little underwhelmed, I won't lie. We were like, oh man, it's not the right one, but
We've
still
changed our minds
freaking
since
amazing.
then.
Yeah. Nope.
Getting the exposure.
Getting the exposure right, dude.
Are you on continuous too?
Yeah, I am on continuous.
Good man.
Always gotta be. So, we're ending our time here. We're ending our time here at Gullfoss. He's vlogging too. This is vlogception.
Kiss.
Woo!
I don't.
Yeah. No, hey, shut up. Honestly, this is crazy because like we shot over there, right? And then we turned around, and then there's that, and I just don't even know how to process it, honestly. Like, this has been one of the most incredible things, and we've only been here for 24 hours, maybe 26, but we're gonna live here one day, probably after college. Definitely gonna. I just don't have words, honestly. I really don't have words. I've been trying to find them this entire time that we've been here, but I'm still at a loss. And I think I'm gonna be at a loss the entire time because there's no way to put this into words. There's really not. Hence why we're taking videos and photos, just to try and share some of the experience with people. But at the same time, it really doesn't do it justice. This is one of those things you really just gotta live. Man. Talk about a dream. Reality.
Dude, I don't want this place. I don't live here.
Same.
I don't think I've ever felt happier.
Oh my god.
Die. Fuck, I'm scared now. It's always like when you roll the cameras.
I know, right?
When shit goes wrong.
Oh, that's actually cool.
Do it and get out, right?
Right.
And here it's just so fucking cold, but so good always.
Yeah.
You keep wanting to stay out.
You do, you really do. So, first of all, this has become the theme song for the trip. Heater by Flume. This man's right here is obsessed with it. Cannot get enough of it.
We play it like every 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's true.
It's so good. It'll be my vlogs, Joe. Hit my vlogs up.
But that's not the point of this. The point of this is we just found something absolutely incredible off the side of the road because it's Iceland and you can just find things like that anywhere.
Almost got hit coming to it.
I mean, yeah, we almost got hit and Harrison stalled on the highway, but it's fine. It's fine. So anyways, I'm gonna go there and you'll see it in a second. All right, so we reached it. You may or may not be able to hear it in the background. It's pretty damn loud, honestly. But for something that you can pull off the highway and see, you're not gonna find this anywhere else but Iceland. And to anyone that is considering coming to Iceland, don't even consider it, just fucking do it. Honestly, do it. It'll be the best decision you've ever made in your life. And finally, I'm gonna show you what all the hype is about. Woo! We got us our first, I mean technically our second waterfall, but this is like the first one that we can stand underneath and just bask in its glory. That thing is massive. And it's just, yeah, just pull off the highway, yeah, right there. What? This place is a dream, and we're living it, and I'm in love with everything right now, including all of you. Alright, well, made it back in the car. What'd you think, Harry?
Well, it just really got me in touch with my emotional side.
Oh, man.
I'm emo now.
He's going through the phase.
I got the hair.
Oh, no.
But actually, my voice is out because we've been screaming so much because it's so cool.
Yeah, we've been screaming every 5 seconds.
I mean, everything ran out of battery.
Yeah, everything's
Before I
cold.
got to vlog much, so I just hope I make it interesting and you guys like it.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna finally make our way, probably 5 hours later than we said we would to our Airbnb. Yeah, about 5 hours later than we said we'd be. But you know what? This is Iceland, and it's an adventure, and you never know what to expect around every corner.
Shit happens, bro.
Shit happens here, but the best shit happens here.
Oh, it's permanently emo, bro.
I don't really know what to expect once we land. And I wouldn't have it any other way.